Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to share with you guys how I make a welcome sign for my front porch. And this video is sponsored by Cricut, and if you guys are not 100% sure what a Cricut machine does, I am about ready to tell you. So I'm going to be using the new Cricut Maker 3. I love this thing. I'm starting to cut new materials such as chipboard. I'm using chipboard in this video, which I am super excited to show you guys how I did that. But the Cricut machine cuts all different kinds of materials, starting with vinyl, iron-on, so you guys are able to customize t-shirts, signs, home decor projects. You can also cut leather, you could make earrings, you could make purses. They also have a ton of different projects on the Cricut design space, already pre-made step-by-step instructions on how you can customize and make your own project as well. I love using it for gifts. I love using it for home decor. And once you have a Cricut machine, you can do absolutely anything you want with it. So I honestly have not bought home decor in a very long time because I can make my own. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I did, I already had my board, my sign. I picked it up on clearance at Michael's when they have their great like 80% off sale. So it was under $10, sanded it down, and then I painted it white. So after that, I went into Cricut Design Space and I tried to pick out what font that I wanted to go with. It needed to be something bold. I already messed up the first time around because I picked out something really, really skinny and you were not even gonna be able to see the font on my welcome sign. That was like the first thing I was like, why did I pick this? Why did I pick this font? It needs to be something bold. You're gonna be able to see it on your sign. So I think I just went with good old Circuit Sans, possibly. I think that is the name. I'll link it down below if it's not for sure, but I'll link it down below if it's not that exact font. So anyways, what I love about the Cricut Maker 3 is that you can cut up to 12-foot long images in one shot. You don't need to piece your items together. I love it, and you're just going to be using the Cricut Smart material. So I'm just using the removable Smart material vinyl. So this removable vinyl, the Smart material removable vinyl in black, however you want to say it. So once the vinyl image was printed, I also used the roll holder that goes along with the Cricut Maker 3. It is available for purchase separately, but I love it because it just holds your material right in place, and then you can just cut it and your image is ready to go. Your project, your vinyl material is ready to go. So once that was done, I used my transfer tape from Cricut as well, and I just laid that right on top, smoothed it out, and then I carefully took the transfer tape off just a little bit at a time to make sure that my image and that my vinyl that was going on my piece was straight, and it was. Towards the end, you're gonna see that I did rip the E a little bit, but it did go back on perfectly. No big deal. You cannot even tell at this moment that the E was even broke. So I have my welcome sign. It's all done. I don't know why my voice is a little froggy. It just has been all day. I'm not sure why. So to make it customizable, I'm using this heavy chipboard, 2.0 millimeter chipboard. It is super thick, and next time I'll probably use a thinner chipboard for a project like this, since this took about 2 hours to cut each of these images. So what you just saw there is I already did some images, picked them out on Design Space, and then I just attached them in 4s because this was obviously too many images to actually cut onto one piece of chipboard. So you're going to need this knife blade. This is on the Cricut site as well, and you do need this to cut any type of chipboard or things like that. So I'm just going to be putting it in here. So I'm going to be taking one of my blades out, and I'm just going to be putting this knife blade in. And then right here, I'm just using a standard grip mat. You're going to want like a heavy duty, a better mat than this, we'll just say. I just used some painter's tape to put this chipboard on because I did not want this slipping off and ruining my Maker 3. Screen that will pop up when you need to browse your materials and you're ready to make your cuts. And I'm just using the chipboard like I showed you, and then I did not do a calibration on my knife blade, although I probably should have. So this is what that pops up, cutting one of 24 passes. Once that was done, I did not want to show you guys the full 3 hours because it would literally just tick and tick and tick. But this is what it looks like. This is what my chipboard looks like. Now I'm just going to be peeling off the tape, and then it did kind of cut through my mat just a little bit. I'm still going to test this mat out to see if it works. Hopefully I didn't fully ruin it, but yeah, that's what happened to my mat when you don't use the correct one. And then I'm just going to be popping these little pieces right out, and then I'm just going to paint them. So you can paint them however you like. I just did a quick little paint to show you guys exactly what I chose to do. You could use some depth, you could use glitter, you could use whatever you wanted for this chipboard. I just went with some quick acrylic paints to match. So I just used an acrylic paint in a pine tree colored green, and then I went back in to give it a little bit of snow at the top. And then I am just going to paint my pumpkin, and then I'm going to do the heart, the turkey, the Easter bunny, and I think that's all I painted for this video. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how you can customize it however you like. I'm just throwing some tape on here, but you can make it more permanent with some Velcro, but I think I may just end up leaving it a plain little welcome sign for now, and then I will end up customizing it through the holidays because I do like decorating my porch for fall and for Christmas as well. That is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Again, thank you, Cricut, for sponsoring today's video, and I hope I helped you guys make a fun, little quick and easy customizable welcome sign. But that is it, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!